We have several friends in their 50s. They are gaining weight. Very easy to get exhausted. Have some medical condition. Not a happy person as well. These friends are easier to get sick and they believe that their condition are the normal aging of human being. On the other hand, we have a bunch of other friends who we thought was 40s and turned out to be 60s. Most people thought that I was 50s, but actually I am almost 70 years old, due to I am practicing all the tips of habits, diet, exercise, sleeping, lifestyle and more. A lot of our friends encourage me to write a book based on my personal experiences and my extensive research to get an insightful and inspiring look at the science of aging, which I have experienced myself. Here we go. I published this book which informed the world about my personal experience to get forever young and forever healthy. I write in this book, which is a comprehensive approach, covers all aspects of healthy living, with some examples and tips provided are practical and easy to follow, making this book a valuable resource for anyone seeking to make positive changes in our life. I will provide you a step-by-step guide to reversing disease, easing pain, and living a longer, healthier life. We address all of these factors and create a comprehensive plan for maximizing our longevity and well-being, such as nutrition, eating 80% full, hara hachi bu, blue zones, the diet of Okinawan people, diet for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Exercise. Stress management. Sleep. Social support and much more. Remember, aging is not just about living long, it is also about being happy, to be able still doing things we love, strong, looking and feeling well. Please check it out. For limited time, there is special price. E-book. https://books2read.com/u/ml88 and for paperback. https://www.amazon.com/forever-young-healthy-secrets-living/dp/14478510005/